talking to on the phone? Who is it? Oh, I'm sorry. Who are you calling? Are you calling Daddy? Are you talking to Daddy? Who is it? No, he's not home yet. I thought maybe you were calling him to see when he was coming home. No. Yeah, this is the door Daddy comes through. Am I disturbing your privacy? Do you want to make a private phone call? Are you yelling at your friends?